channel. So for today's video, I am unboxing the new iPhone 13 and I'm really excited for this because I haven't gotten a new phone in 4 years, which is like a long time for me and I feel like for most people. So yeah, I'm really excited. I got the normal just like iPhone 13 in the pink, and hold on, let me like look up. I'm kind of dumb when it comes to like this sort of thing. So I got the iPhone 13 in the 256GB in the color pink, and I think that's everything you need to know for now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm like, it's so pretty. I haven't even opened it yet, but like, oh my gosh. Yay! So this is what it looks like. Well, this is what the box looks like, and I'm really excited if you couldn't tell. Yeah, they have these little like strippy things. So I'm gonna just like pull the strips, but I want to capture this for TikTok too. So give me 1 second. If you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. It's at Kel's Beauty Tips. That's my normal one. I also started a new TikTok for my weight loss journey. That's at Kel's Journey with 2 S's. I've lost 27 pounds as of today. I hit 27 pounds down, so that's part of the reason why I really wanted to get this new phone, because I've been filming like a lot of TikToks on my weight loss journey, and I have the iPhone 10. I should mention that I have the iPhone 10. That's what I'm switching over from. This is a 4-year-old phone, and yeah, it was definitely time for an upgrade. I just had this one, the white iPhone 10. I'm filming the TikTok, but I don't want you guys to miss out on this part, so I already pulled the tabs off. Very exciting stuff. Go to my TikTok if you want to see it. God, that scared me for some reason. Oh my god. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I'll stop screaming. Ooh. Oh my god. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's very pretty. It's a very pretty pink. It's like a muted pink, almost like a white, but I really love that. What in the hell is this? Wait, okay. This does not look like my iPhone charger. I have the iPhone 10. Okay, I filmed my TikTok. Now I can give you guys my full attention. So I don't have like an iPhone cube that fits this wire, but my MacBook cube fits it. So that's good that I have this, but if you don't, make sure you get like the cube that fits it, or else you won't be able to charge your phone, which kind of sucks. So it came with that wire, a little Apple sticker, and then this little piece to get like your SIM card out, I think. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and turn this baby on. I'm turning it on. Pretty Apple logo, you can both see. Hello, that's so pretty. I love that writing. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do the quick start because I think that just sounds a lot more convenient than setting it up manually. So let's go ahead and bring my phone over here. Let's see. Set up new iPhone. Hold your new iPhone up to the camera. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Now it wants to set up Face ID, so I don't know why I was making that face while I did that. Okay, I'm just gonna do the download from iCloud so that this is faster, and then I'll go ahead and, I don't know, finish doing it later because I just want to finish filming this video. Okay, this is very exciting stuff. It says setting up your Apple ID, but I'm going to put it down and start to open my case and my screen protector because yo girl is not playing around. Make this your new iPhone. Continue. It says setting up Apple Cache. That's kind of creepy, eh? It wanted me to share my audio recording, so I did. So I got this case from Amazon. I wanted to get the Apple one, but it wasn't gonna come until after the phone was being delivered, and I really didn't want to go to the store to get it. So I'm probably gonna end up getting the Apple one, like the MagSafe one, but I just needed one because I will drop my phone and I need a case on it. So I just decided to get this one from Amazon. So it's from the brand, I don't even know what brand it is, to be honest. I'll have it linked on my Amazon page The link will be down below in case you guys want it. But ooh, it feels good quality. It's just like this clear case, you know. My phone is pink, so why wouldn't I want to show off the pink, you know? So we're gonna get this baby in here before I crack it. Ooh, it's saying hello to me. Hello. Okay, so now I'm just gonna chill out and wait for it to complete the backup. So I can't find the freaking screen protectors right now. I swear I put them with everything else and they're missing. So I don't know where they went. I wonder if it says hello every time like that, because I think that's so pretty and cute. I really hope it does. Or I don't know if that's just because we're just setting it up, but they should make that a thing because I like that. I also got an air tag yesterday at Target because my cat is crazy and she likes to run outside, and she's not an outdoor cat. In case she ever goes missing, or even if she's just hiding within the house, it's hard to find her sometimes. She doesn't always come to me. So I got an air tag. I have a tile on her right now to track her, but I feel like the air tag is hopefully a little more accurate, and sometimes the tile will be like not found right now, and then I'll start having a panic attack because I'm like, my cat's missing, and then turns out it's just like it wasn't working. So hopefully the Apple one is a little better. I didn't pair it up with my iPhone 10 yet because I just got it yesterday, so I knew I was getting the phone today, so I waited. Okay, that took a little longer than I had expected, but well, first I need to transfer the SIM card, so I guess I'll try to do that first. I don't even know. Oh, I'm like, I don't even know where the SIM card is. I think I just push it in. Yep. Comes out. Like, oh, frick. I dropped it. Oh God. That's what I was trying to not do. And then this phone I'm setting back. I think I get like $200 for it. So that's cool. I'm literally so freaking excited. So okay, I'm gonna open the camera and ooh, choose style, photographic styles. I don't want to show you guys my room because it's a freaking disaster. Standard, rich, contrast, vibrant, warm, cool. Oh my God, they're all so pretty. I'm gonna do rich contrast because oh my God, I'm so sorry. Just ignore that. My room is a freaking mess, but yeah. Oh my gosh, this camera looks so good. Yay. Can I screen record on this phone still? I don't know. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna oh my gosh. Okay. Are you kidding me? Okay, I look crazy. My eyes look crazy. But in this one, oh my gosh, the new phone, old phone. Can you believe that? This one is so much more like crisp, and I feel like you could see like every freaking pore. I kind of don't like it. Okay, well, I'm gonna play around with this a lot more. Let's see. Cinematic video. Ooh. Hello. Oh my gosh. Wow. Sorry, like I said, my room's a mess, but wow, look at that. That's gonna be so good for filming like TikToks and YouTube videos. Wow, look at that. So freaking pretty. Oh my gosh. It makes the outdoors look even prettier than it already does. Like, I am so obsessed. So as you can see on this phone, the cameras are like diagonal from each other. I know on the iPhone 12 they were like stacked on top of each other, and then I believe with the Pro and the Pro Max there's like 3 lenses. Oh, whoa, wait, I'm not screen recording. Look at this freaking wide angle. This is amazing. Please ignore my messy room. That's so gross. Oh my gosh, I love that for selfies. Instead of like having it so zoomed in. So the first thing I did was call Jade, of course. And this is what she said about the new phone quality.
This is the best FaceTime quality in my life.
Like what? I'm honored. Thanks, iPhone 13. Alright guys, so that is my iPhone 13 unboxing and setup. I'm definitely gonna play around with it a lot more, but I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. It's such a pretty phone, as you can see. I'm obsessed with it, and I can't wait to just use it and, you know, take pictures and videos on it and If you want, follow me on TikTok to follow my weight loss journey. I'm 27 pounds down today. Yeah, I'm filming everything on TikTok and documenting the whole thing. So it's just at Kel's Journey with 2 S's in Kel's. So I love you guys so much, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys.